Is private dining generally more sustainable financially compared to a traditional F&B business?
I would say yes. Okay, so for myself, I run private dining at the comfort of my home. So rental is zero lah, right? So it is more efficient in a way because I'm the chef. I'm also the front of house, so the marketing. I'm also the procurement, everything lah. So basically is do everything, but you don't have the crazy overheads and you don't need to pay crazy overheads to find additional manpower to do all this stuff. Yeah, and the business scale is small. So like because you do one dinner a day, you don't need to have so much manpower involved in the daily operations of it.
Like he said, we really wear multiple hats. Yeah, so a lot of things are cut down from there. Myself, actually, I rent a place to do my own private dining. Yeah, so it's like actually not my home. I still stay there lah. So I guess that the P&L splits from there.
For me, I'm doing it alone also, so I don't need any manpower as well. But the downside is we do everything ourselves. So even like on resting day, if there is any message, inquiries that came in, we still need to take care of them lah.
It's more like a 24/7 thing lah.
Yeah. It's like a solopreneur lah. Basically, you have to bao ka liao everything, right?
It's really a bao ka liao job.